Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving straight into the absolutely incredible world of AI-powered video. We're talking about a world where you can become a film director with, get this, nothing more than a few words. So let's get right into it and see how it's done.
I want you to just imagine this for a second. You've got an idea for a quick video, a scene that's just playing out perfectly in your head. But instead of needing a whole camera crew, actors, or a set, what if you could just type it out? And this isn't some far-off futuristic dream. It's the reality of text-to-video tech, and it is here, right now.
So, how in the world does this all work? Well, it's kind of like we're handing over the director's chair to a really smart AI. An AI that has basically gone to film school, studying countless hours of footage to understand what makes a shot cinematic. And that, right there, is where all the magic starts.
The core idea is actually super simple, but wow, is it powerful. You give it a text prompt, basically just a description of what you want to see, and the AI creates a high-quality video clip from scratch. And we're not talking about some choppy slideshow here. No, this is legit cinematic footage, and it often comes complete with perfectly synchronized audio, dialogue, and even sound effects.
But what's actually going on under the hood to make this possible? Let's pull back the curtain a little bit, and really get a feel for the technology that's turning our words into these incredible moving pictures.
At its heart, we've got something called an AI video generator. But what's so cool about this tool is how it totally democratizes video creation. It means that a small business owner can whip up a product ad, or maybe a teacher can bring a historical event to life, all without needing crazy expensive gear or years of video editing experience. The barrier to entry has just been completely smashed.
Okay, so the engine driving this particular tool inside Canva is powered by some seriously cutting-edge technology from Google. It's designed to really understand the nuance in your text and create footage that looks and feels like it belongs in a movie, with audio that syncs up perfectly. But you know what's truly incredible? Every single prompt you write creates a completely new, totally original video clip. It's not just grabbing something from a stock library, it's literally creating it from nothing.
Okay, so we get the what's and the how. Now, for the really fun part, the how-to. How do you actually go about crafting that perfect clip and getting the absolute best results from the AI? If there is one golden rule, one thing you have to remember, it is this. The more detailed your prompt is, the better your result is going to be. I mean, it makes sense, right? Vague prompts get you vague, generic results. But detailed, descriptive prompts? That's when you get something that really matches that vision you have in your head. The whole process is incredibly simple. You just open up Canva, find the AI video generator, and then you write that super detailed prompt we were just talking about. But here's a key part. It's not just a one-and-done kind of thing. The real power comes in step 4, where you can take that clip and customize it. You can tweak it, add your own text, your graphics, your branding. You make it truly yours. So, what does a detailed prompt even look like? Well, you can get super specific. You can tell it the style. Maybe you want an anime style or something hyper-realistic. You can control the camera framing, asking for a close-up shot or a sweeping wide-angle view. You can even direct the lighting, ask for dramatic evening light or a soft morning glow. This is your creative control panel, so play with it. Now, it's important to know what you're working with. Right now, each clip the AI generates has a maximum length of 8 seconds. And before you think that's short, just consider how perfect that is for creating punchy social media content, grabbing some quick B-roll for bigger projects, or just making fast, eye-catching visuals. Generating silent clips is awesome, don't get me wrong, but a lot of the time, a story really needs a narrator, a voice. This is where we can take things to a whole other level by adding a human touch, by creating an AI persona. Seriously, this feature is a total game changer for creators. You can take a single photo, even a quick selfie from your phone, and the AI will transform it into a talking avatar. You just give it a script, and your digital self delivers the lines. This means you can completely skip setting up lights and getting in front of a camera every time you need to record a quick message.
And get this, the reach of this feature is absolutely global. Your avatar isn't just stuck speaking one language. Nope. It can speak your script in over 40 different languages. Just think about the possibilities there for reaching international audiences with a consistent, familiar face and voice.
The practical uses for this are just huge. I mean, imagine creating entire libraries of training and onboarding videos with a consistent, friendly face leading the way, or producing professional-looking ads without the huge cost of hiring actors.
It's all about adding that genuine human connection to your content, making your brand feel more personal, and telling those compelling brand stories in a completely new way. Of course, with any powerful new tool, you've got some practical things to think about. Before you go off and generate an entire movie library, it's really important to understand the rules of the road. Stuff like usage rights and costs.
So for anyone on a pro, Teams, or nonprofit plan, you get a certain number of free generations every month. And yes, you can absolutely use these clips for your business. The big thing to remember, though, is that you don't have exclusive rights. That means someone else could, in theory, generate a very similar-looking video.
This all leads to a really key responsibility that falls on you, the creator. When you're using this stuff for your business, the duty is on you to make sure it's good to go. That means doing a quick check to be sure it doesn't look too much like someone else's art or step on any trademarks. Canva gives you this incredibly powerful tool, but at the end of the day, you're the publisher.
So there you have it, the power to go from a simple text prompt to a cinematic clip, and from a single photo to a global brand ambassador. The tools of the modern storyteller are more accessible than they have ever been. So the only real question left is, what story are you going to bring to life first?